Welcome to our channel, your go-to destination for all things crypto. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Crypto.com and exploring 7 exciting ways you can potentially profit from the cryptocurrency market. From earning interest to decentralized finance, we've got you covered. But remember, with great opportunity comes great risk. So buckle up and let's explore how you can make the most of Crypto.com. Number 1. Earning interest. CryptoEarn is a popular avenue for earning with Crypto.com, enabling users to leverage their cryptocurrency holdings to generate interest. This feature allows individuals to deposit their digital assets and accrue interest over time. The interest rates offered vary according to factors such as the specific coin and the chosen lockup term, whether flexible or fixed. Furthermore, Crypto.com provides an enhanced option called CryptoEarn Plus, which offers a streamlined structure for certain coins with elevated limits, thereby augmenting earning potential. Through CryptoEarn and CryptoEarn Plus, users can harness the power of their crypto assets to potentially generate passive income, all while benefiting from the flexibility and security provided by the platform. These features cater to both seasoned investors seeking to maximize returns and newcomers looking to explore the world of cryptocurrency with a straightforward earning mechanism. Number 2. Staking CRO. Staking CRO, the native token of Crypto.com, presents yet another avenue for potential profits within the platform's ecosystem. By staking CRO for a predetermined period, users can unlock higher interest rates on their CryptoEarn deposits, thereby amplifying their earning potential. Beyond the enhanced interest rates, staking CRO offers additional perks, such as trading fee discounts and access to exclusive features, augmenting the overall benefits for users. This synergy between staking CRO and utilizing CryptoEarn not only provides an opportunity for passive income, but also enhances the overall experience of engaging with the Crypto.com platform. Users can capitalize on these benefits to optimize their investment strategies and maximize returns on their cryptocurrency holdings. As a result, staking CRO becomes a strategic component in the arsenal of tools available to Crypto.com users, offering both financial rewards and access to premium features, further solidifying its position as a comprehensive platform for crypto enthusiasts and investors alike. Number 3. Trading and investing. Crypto.com caters to individuals keen on actively managing their cryptocurrency portfolios with its spot trading feature. This functionality empowers users to directly buy and sell cryptocurrencies on the exchange, enabling them to capitalize on price fluctuations and leverage market movements to generate profits. Engaging in spot trading necessitates vigilance and a solid comprehension of market dynamics and trends. Users must stay informed about various factors influencing cryptocurrency prices, such as market sentiment, technological developments, and regulatory announcements, to make informed trading decisions. Moreover, Crypto.com's spot trading platform provides essential tools and resources to support users in their trading endeavors, including real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and order management options. By leveraging these resources effectively, users can enhance their trading strategies and optimize their potential for profit generation. However, it's crucial for traders to exercise caution and implement risk management practices to mitigate potential losses, as cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile and unpredictable. With the right knowledge and strategy, spot trading on Crypto.com can be a lucrative avenue for actively managing cryptocurrency holdings. Number 4. Margin trading for qualified users. Margin trading on Crypto.com empowers users to borrow funds, amplifying the potential for returns on their investments. This strategy allows traders to access greater buying power than their initial capital, potentially magnifying profits. However, it's important to recognize that margin trading also entails higher risks, including the potential for substantial losses. Traders must possess experience and a high risk tolerance to engage in margin trading responsibly. One of the primary risks associated with margin trading is the possibility of margin calls, where users are required to deposit additional funds or face liquidation of their positions. As such, margin trading is typically reserved for qualified users who understand the intricacies of this trading method and are prepared to manage its associated risks diligently. While margin trading can offer opportunities for enhanced returns, it requires careful consideration and risk management to navigate successfully. By staying informed, employing effective risk mitigation strategies, and maintaining a disciplined approach, experienced traders can potentially capitalize on the benefits of margin trading while minimizing its inherent risks. Number 5. Using crypto-backed products. Crypto.com's Visa card stands out as a distinctive offering, enabling users to earn CRO cashback rewards for their everyday purchases. Available in various tiers, each tier offers different rewards, with higher tiers necessitating users to stake CRO. This innovative card allows users to leverage their cryptocurrency holdings for daily transactions while potentially earning rewards in the form of CRO cashback. By utilizing the Crypto.com Visa card, individuals can seamlessly integrate their crypto assets into their daily spending habits, unlocking benefits and incentives along the way. The card's tiered structure caters to a wide range of users, offering flexibility and rewards tailored to their preferences and needs. Whether it's earning cashback on groceries, dining out, or online shopping, the Crypto.com Visa card provides a convenient and rewarding way to utilize cryptocurrency in everyday life. Additionally, as users move up the tiers by staking CRO, they unlock even greater rewards and benefits, further enhancing the value proposition of this unique offering from Crypto.com. Number 6. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Higher risk. For those seeking higher risk opportunities, Crypto.com provides access to decentralized finance, DeFi products. DeFi Swap is a notable offering, enabling users to swap cryptocurrencies directly without intermediaries. This feature opens avenues for arbitrage and speculation, catering to adventurous traders looking to capitalize on market opportunities. However, it's crucial for users to proceed with caution when navigating the DeFi space, as it can be fraught with unfamiliar tokens and potential scams. Engaging in DeFi activities requires thorough research, due diligence, and an understanding of the associated risks. While DeFi Swap presents exciting possibilities for profit generation, users must remain vigilant and exercise prudent decision-making to safeguard their investments. By staying informed, adhering to best practices, and exercising caution, users can explore the potential of DeFi while mitigating the inherent risks associated with this innovative yet volatile sector of the cryptocurrency market. Number 7. DeFi Earn. Crypto.com also provides access to DeFi Earn, another decentralized finance offering that enables users to supply liquidity to DeFi pools and earn interest on their holdings. This feature presents an opportunity for potentially high returns, enticing users with the prospect of earning passive income through their cryptocurrency assets. However, it's essential for users to recognize the complexities and risks associated with DeFi Earn. Engaging in this activity involves navigating intricate smart contracts and understanding the underlying mechanisms thoroughly before participating. Smart contract risks, including vulnerabilities and exploits, underscore the importance of due diligence and risk management when participating in DeFi Earn. While the potential rewards can be enticing, users must exercise caution and fully comprehend the risks involved to make informed decisions about their participation in DeFi Earn. By staying informed, conducting thorough research, and exercising diligence, users can potentially capitalize on the opportunities presented by DeFi Earn while minimizing the associated risks. And that wraps up today's video on Crypto.com and the various ways you can potentially profit in the crypto market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. And remember, always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more crypto insights and updates by subscribing to our channel. Until next time, happy investing.